Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you actually have hotspot allowance and enough GB. This prevents sudden cutoffs. Once done, update carrier settings and your phone OS to ensure compatibility. Make sure your device is sufficiently charged and set listeners like low-power hotspot off if you want speed. You'll also pick the best band, 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range, so devices connect properly. Do this now before moving to detailed tuning steps. Next, you optimize settings to get more usable hotspot. Change the band to 5 GHz when your devices support it because that reduces interference and raises throughput. Otherwise use 4 GHz for distance. Set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password and a unique SSID so neighbors don't join and steal bandwidth. Then limit simultaneous connections and prioritize essential devices. Once configured, monitor real-time usage to finally you consolidate gains. Position your phone at a central, elevated spot and avoid obstructions. Use an external modem or tether a dedicated mobile router if you need sustained higher throughput. Test speeds with a reliable app and try different locations to find the best signal. If performance still lags, restart the hotspot, toggle airplane mode to force a carrier refresh, and recheck APN settings. If that fails, contact your carrier. Sometimes account provisioning or signal towers are the bottleneck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.